Hello and welcome to Osaka famous spot in Japan. Every Sunday I will introduce a famous spot of Osaka in English. I'm your professor Mr. Doi and I'm making this video for my English study. If my pronunciation is unclear, please refer to the script in this video's description. Today I will talk to you about Osaka Museum of History. The Osaka Museum of History is in Chuo Ward, Osaka. It opened in 2021 and is located near Osaka Castle, making it a great place to visit together. The museum buildings has a modern design and is connected to NHK Osaka Broadcasting Center. Exhibits start on the 10th floor and go back in time as you go down. On the 10th floor, you can see a life-size reconstruction of the Naniwa Palace from the Nara period. It lets visitors experience what an ancient Japanese palace looked like. The ninth floor shows Osaka during the Edo period with recreated streets and buildings from the time when Osaka was the center of trade. Recently, the museum has added more digital technology including VR and projection mapping, making exhibits more interactive. There are also special exhibitions held regularly, allowing visitors to learn about Osaka's history and culture from different perspectives. The museum is easy to access. It's directly connected to Tanimachi Horse Chome Station on the Osaka Metro Tanimachi and Chuo lines. Visiting this museum along with the Osaka Castle will give you a deeper understanding of the city histories. It's a great place for history lovers and those interested in Japanese culture. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.